All right, we're pulling out some dirt here, getting out the house, looking at the different types of things that we can find in the grass and, in the soil here.
Ooh, look what I found, Mommy.
Wow, Olivia, look what you got here. You can see this is called a grub, and this is actually the larvae of a June bug, which is a beetle. So these will live in the grass, and it'll feed on the roots and the crowns of plants, and typically turf grass. And sometimes they can be a problem, but in most instances here, it doesn't affect our plants at all. And we just found this cool creature. You want to pick him up?
Sure. And also, my birthday is in June.
Yeah, like a June bug. And so what kind of animals do you think would like to eat grubs?
Birds.
Exactly, birds.
When they're in this form, but when they're beetles, they might not want to eat them because of their hard shell.
So this is the baby larval form of a beetle, and it likes to eat on the roots and crowns of plants.
But it looks like it would turn into a wasp.
Nope, this one's gonna be a beetle. Pretty cool, huh?
And I'm gonna name him Curly because he curls up in a ball sometimes.
All right, now let's put Curly back in his hole.
Oh dang.
All right, and what do we need to do? We're gonna cover him back up with the soil. And at some point, he's gonna transform and turn into a beetle, to a June bug. Pretty cool, huh, Olivia?
Call him June.
Okay. And we'll call him June.